Okay, we already know that negative means opposite. So, the opposite of positive 3 is negative 3. And we know that it's the opposite because it goes on the opposite side of a number line. But what if I asked you what the opposite of an opposite is? This is asking for the opposite of positive 3. If I look at a number line, I can locate 3 on the number line. This negative sign here, and I'm going to show it to you in red, means the opposite of 3. So here's 3, but the opposite of positive 3 is going to be negative 3, because 3 is 1, 2, 3 spaces away from 0, and negative 3 is 3 spaces from 0, but in the opposite direction. So what if I'm asking you for the opposite of the opposite? Well, if I'm going to the opposite of the opposite, that's actually going to change my direction back to the positive side. So the opposite of the opposite is really positive 3. Let me explain that one more time. This says, find 3 on the number line. There's 3. This says, find the opposite of 3 on the number line. Well, 1, 2, 3 in the opposite direction means negative 3 is the opposite of positive 3. And this says find the opposite of that. That means going back in the original direction. So the opposite of 3 is negative 3, and the opposite of that is going back in the same direction, however many spaces it says, from 0.